Hmm. Because I have it installed, right? Okay, you're using WebSocket. Oh, I have to sign into search code. Thank you, Microsoft. WebSocket from WebSocket. I probably do. Apparently this filled this thing I didn't type, I guess. No, I think VS Code typed this in for me. Or something typed this in for me. I don't know what did, but I didn't type it. So maybe I had to save it before. Okay. So named export client not found. Requested module WebSocket is a common jail, which may not support all named exports. Yes, so you were right. Kisamis Mius, you were right. I had to enter it as a dependency, but it wasn't saved for some reason. So let's see. So it's not exporting client. What is it exporting? WebSocket. So maybe it's like this WebSocket client. Let's see if this works. Oops, sorry about bumping the... You don't have the curly braces. So the curly braces is naming the exports. Yeah, okay. Undefined. I forgot to parse again. Yeah, okay. And so, okay. So the secret is read from a JSON file, and I can import the client. I wonder what happens if you try to console log the client. WebSocket client. Config. It seems like it imported something. So that's good. So that took way longer than it should have. But at least now I have learned about these import things. So now I can do this thing. I guess I don't really have to do this. So this thing, I guess it's something that Node has created for me. Okay, so the next thing. The next thing is just yet the log file specified which the exact versions and stuff were actually used during compile. So next time it will compile the same version to ensure that it's still working. Oh, yeah, that's fancy. Well, if Node compiles, I don't know how it works. There's a lot of languages that are scripting languages that are compiled to something intermediate, like, but I don't know how it works with JavaScript. So what am I thinking about? What am I looking at? Let's see. Maybe I should just to do. Sign in with OAuth token using WebSockets. And then you have to send, pass, and nick. Before joining a channel. So next part is joining a channel, I guess. Node compiles with the V8 engine. V8 is it's the Google Chrome thing, right? V8 dev. If it's .dev, then it's probably Google. Because I think Google owns .dev, right? Yeah, Google's open source high performance JavaScript and WebAssembly engine. Written in C++. It's used in Chrome and Node.js, among other things. Okay, so V8 implements ECMAScript. That's interesting. Let's see. Right, so I don't really have to doesn't really say here. It says here the Twitch server will send your bot ping messages to ensure that the bot is alive. See keep alive. So I have to answer to this. Answer to ping. Then make functional. Join channel. Parse. That's from chat. So the first thing I want to do is send password and nick and answer the ping. And if I do that, after that I can the Twitch ping message ensures that your bot is still alive and able to respond to service messages. After receiving a ping message, your bot must reply with a pong message. The pong message must be okay. You know you're procrastinating when you're formatting comments. So, okay. So I'm guessing this challenge might be random. So we actually have to. Okay. Did I implement this ping? Yeah, they just... It's interesting, they're mixing... it's refactoring. That's a good one. it's interesting that they're mixing different. Like this is using a format string, and this thing is just using concatenate. Oh boy, I love refactoring. I was thinking about it yesterday. If you're going to do refactoring, you need unit tests, right? It feels like it was written by several people. It probably was. Twitch is kind of old. And I'm not sure if these format strings are new to ECMAScript 6. Because in Python, Python also has F strings, template literals. Yeah. It doesn't really mention, so I guess it's an old thing. Yeah. I was just thinking if it was new to ECMAScript 6. There seems to be a lot of things that are new to ECMAScript 6, like classes and really nice things. It is new, okay. So